Hey guys. Ooh. Oh, the sun. Hey, I'm looking cute. But yeah, I'm facing this way because the sun, and you won't be able to see me this way, but I need to go. I'm actually running late. My hair keeps getting caught in my lipstick. But there we go. I am headed on a little lunch date, dinner date, whatever you want to call it, getting drinks. And I'm going to a nice, cool little restaurant that I've always wanted to go to, Sugar Factory. So I'm going to take you guys along and show you that experience because I've never been there before. So let's go eat, shall we? Okay guys, so I just pulled up to Sugar Factory, and just walking downtown in Atlanta is so pretty. Like, there's just really pretty lights everywhere, and I want to show you guys like what it looked like, what I will be getting to eat, drink, all kind of cool stuff. They actually have this like really cool like lounge area outside, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, just this little vloggy vlog, and I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, my little date night. These drinks look so good, but I'm trying to decide right now what goblet I want to drink. I know it's probably really loud in here, but I ended up getting the pan-roasted Ora King salmon, and instead of mashed potatoes, I have fries, and it comes with bacon herb sauce, but I didn't get that because, you know, I don't eat meat or whatever. It comes with asparagus, but this is a huge menu. Like, it has over 40 pages. It's thick, like me. They don't really have a lot of food options, but they do have a lot of desserts. They have fondue. They have like 10 pages of drinks. If you come here, maybe just, you know, come for dessert and drinks. Because if you're hungry, they don't have many options. I ended up getting this. I was gonna get the veggie burger, but I went ahead and just wanted to get some salmon, so that's what I got. Okay, what is this? Macaroni and cheese balls. These are macaroni and cheese balls that I cannot have, but they do look really yummy.
One, two, three.
Here you are, man. Thank you. I got salmon, asparagus. I asked for fries instead of mashed potatoes, but they still gave me mashed potatoes. And here is my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful drink. This is the Mai Tai, I believe, and it's really good. So I definitely recommend it. And let's try the food. Let's see how it is.